Hi, I'm Mike Lott with Amplify Credit Union, and I'm here to talk to you today about deposit insurance. Now, NCUA has set up 4 different categories that are insured. The first one is individual accounts, and that's a single person that has one account and it is insured up to $250,000. Now, one thing to remember here, it doesn't matter how many deposit accounts you have. For example, if you have a checking account, a savings account, and a CD, the total amount that you have in those accounts is what is insured, not each individual account. The second category is joint accounts, and that's an account that has 2 or more signers that have an equal right to withdraw money. So each owner on there is insured up to $250,000. An example that we typically see is a husband and wife that own a joint checking account. In that scenario, that account would actually be insured up to $500,000. The third category is revocable trust accounts. These are often referred to as living trusts or family trusts or payable on death accounts. These are looked at a little bit differently because the ownership actually shifts to the beneficiaries. So I'll use myself as an example. I have 3 children. If I were to come in and open a checking account and add all 3 of my children as beneficiaries or payable on death, each one of my children would be insured up to $250,000, really making that account insured up to $750,000. The last category is retirement accounts, and they are covered through NCUA insurance. Accounts such as traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, or KEO accounts are covered. One thing to keep in mind though, they will combine the amount that you have in your traditional and your Roth IRA as one, and that will be insured up to $250,000. The other thing to remember is that your retirement accounts are looked at as separate. So if you have a traditional IRA, that's covered up to $250,000, and your personal accounts are separate and also insured up to $250,000. And then finally, business accounts. We get this question a lot. Business accounts are insured through NCUA, and it's actually quite simple. If you have a business that's actually doing business, then a corporation, an LLC, LLP, partnership, all of those are insured up to $250,000. Again, a couple things to keep in mind. It doesn't matter how many signers you have. The max you can get on a business account is $250,000. The other thing to remember is sole proprietorship is looked at differently. It's almost as if the NCUA looks at it as an individual account. So let's say you have a business checking for your sole proprietorship and you have your personal checking account. NCUA will combine those deposit balances and insure you up to $250,000. I know this is a lot to take in, but please feel free if you have any additional questions to reach out to us at 512-836-5901. You can go to our website at goamplify.com, or you're always welcome to visit any of our branch locations.